You good boss.
I want to address what Eze Anadiume Omereora did to me. This has completely disrupted my life, and I cannot stay silent anymore. He kept insisting. He won't take no for an answer. He is forcing me to accept something I never asked for. Every time I try to say no, he keeps pushing harder. Do you know how uncomfortable this makes me feel? I told him, Eze, I am fine with what I have. But does he listen? No. Now my whole content creation process have to change. Everything I have been doing for 289 videos is about to be completely different because of what he did. My workflow, my planning, my entire approach to Bose Empire Media. And you know what? Let me show you exactly what happened. I recorded everything because I knew nobody would believe me. Watch this footage.
I like a progressive man like you. Thank you, sir. Eventually, you're going to get 1 million views per month on the internet. But I like him, young people like you, the progressive, what I had, man. Maybe have a bunny cuckoo. Just start a kind of one that and I'll pull you over. Instagram channel, my YouTube channel. Go when they jewelry on there. Give one whatever we can do to support you in our own small way. I cannot support you. The man no time about the nation, I'm not going to America, my worldwide now support you. My kind of like if we cover Nimo, cover Nigeria, cover Africa, okay, we mama can boss media. Okay, say no, but you can Google Map.
That's awesome.
Boss media.
It's not
so you can use presenting drones. I will tell you from America. Drone now, they're feeling or not cover the
Amen.
Boss media, man Nigeria, man Africa, man one. Initiative now for doing Mamu Omereora Nachi, Victor-Obi Anadiume, no EBM the you. Check it and I goes what you need. Goes you find. I enjoy support more millions of people like you. Although we're not, they can progress we're not.
Yes.
So I get presenting, you know. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Nice.
Ụzọ dị mma nwanne ya agaghị ọzọ asị Igbo obodo ma m ga-ekwu ya ọzọ ọkwụzụzasị maka ati m ga-ekpo ya ọzọ asị product ma sista bụ m onye asị ezigbo nwafọ na nwoke bụ nwa asị.
He forced me to accept incredible drone camera. He insisted on elevating Bose Empire Media to the next level. He disrupted my life with this generous, life-changing blessing. Eze Anadiume Omereora, you are guilty of being the most supportive, generous person in this community. You just changed everything for this channel. But seriously, let me tell you, while this means so much for years, I have been documenting Nigeria beauty, our culture, our events, all from ground level. This drone does not just upgrade my equipment, it upgrades how 75,000 subscribers will experience our stories these days. Imagine our documentaries with area shots, our tourism videos showing landscape from above. Do you know what that means? Event coverage that captures the full energy, the full scale energy. Now, this is how we keep memories alive from perspectives we never had before. My next oncoming video will be stunning. Next week, I am going to upload an event with the drone footage, which is Itikomo Ajana Eze. Get ready for that. Eze Anadiume Omereora 1. This gift represents more than equipment. It shows your belief in this mission, keeping special memories alive, bringing families together, making the world a special place for us through my authentic Nigerian stories. To my 75,000 subscribers, watch this, drop a comment, thank Eze Anadiume on the comment section, and tell me what kind of video do you expect from this drone. But first, subscribe to my channel because content is about to hit the new heights. Eze Anadiume Omereora 1. Thank you for disrupting my life in this best possible way. Eze Empire Media, just have a win. Eze Anadiume Omereora 1. Thanks for this life-changing, disrupting blessing. Right now, my heart is filled with gratitude. I also give thanks to the whole the initiatives and especially Nedi you. Thanks so much.